Our Aegis Iron feature tractor this week is a John Deere HWH owned by Nick Bancroft of St. John, Michigan. So I've got to ask, Deere people know what an HWH is. For the rest of the world, what is an HWH?
It's a John Deere H that was a high crop and a wide front.
So this was a really kind of a vegetable tractor, vineyard tractor too, right?
Yeah, most of these ended up in California to
Oh.
work in vegetables and other table crops.
You're a young man. What was your fascination with tractors? Because when you go to shows, it's old folks like me, right?
Right. We had a lot of equipment that was somewhat marginal in the company when I started, and we had some John Deeres around and a John Deere mechanic that helped me learn a lot of things and how to work on them.
You're talking about the original tractor that you used in the business. What's the business?
AgroLiquid, we sell fertilizer across the United States.
But the cool thing about this corporate headquarters is it has antique tractors as part of a unique display in the front of the building.
It does. The IQ Hub serves education for kids. We put about 10,000 kids through it last year. Yeah, and it has some old tractor history to teach people where we've been and where we're going.
If people are interested in that, where could they go to get more information about AgroLiquid and the IQ Hub?
You go to agroliquid.com, you can find information on both.
Nick, this was a rare version of the H, but the H wasn't necessarily a rare tractor. We saw a lot of usage of them by farmers, didn't we?
Yeah, the H was a very inexpensive one-plow tractor, kind of designed to replace the horse on the farm.
Dimension-wise, how did this get designated a wide high crop?
Well, it has a taller tire on the rear to get it up higher. The wide front has long spindles on it also to set it up higher. It sets a fair amount higher than a regular H.
And the wide front was it was adjusted out wide.
Yep, so you could get down more rows and make more changes in the width.
Well, thank you, Nick. I think we'd like to come back sometime and see more of these tractors in your collection. I'll see you again next week on another Aegis Iron Feature Tractor of the Week. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.